So everybody knew I was doing this thing. And there I was knowing that I wasn't going to be able to finish. So I slowly made my way back down the mountain on the trail. I was going to be staying at a particular campsite that night anyway.
Mm.
And when I got there, when I finally made it down, and that was not an easy journey getting back down the mountain, um, I talked to another hiker that I had met on the trail, a guy named Barter from New Orleans. And I started talking to him about it, and we did a little research, and it turned out that further on the trail, it hadn't been maintained as well because of the pandemic. And we didn't know any of that because the guidebooks were all written before the pandemic. And some of the smaller towns on the trail were taking in Ukrainian refugees. So a lot of the bed and breakfasts were full, and a lot of the places where we could stay were going to be occupied. So there were a bunch of problems that were going to be coming up on the trail in front of me anyway. So I had to sit there at that campsite and make some serious decisions about how I wanted to move forward.